The maritime industry is getting $1.6 million for projects on digitalization and 3D printing. The Maritime and Port Authority has awarded the sum, and it covers 11 projects. Printing 3D valves and gears for boats, precision engineering firm 3D Metal Forge has one of the projects that netted the funding. It will use the money to improve its products and establish its presence in the maritime industry. The recipients were announced by Senior Minister of State for Transport Chee Hong Tat at the Smart Port Challenge finals. He says innovation is crucial in tackling disruption, digitalization and decarbonization, which are issues impacting the sector. He adds that the government will review current policies to spur innovation.
Innovation is a key enabler to propel maritime Singapore forward and to create jobs and opportunities for our people. We will continue to invest in this area by supporting collaborations, by encouraging experimentation and risk-taking, and by working together with the industry to proactively review our policies and rules.